subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched 3 new smartphones in China called Redmi K60, Redmi K60 Pro and Redmi K60E. Among these three, the Redmi K60 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Now let's see the specifications of the Redmi K60 Pro smartphone. The Redmi K60 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch AMOLED 2K resolution display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it also features Dolby Vision for better viewing experience. The phone comes powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 740 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi K60 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 54MP main camera with Sony IMX800 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 180° field of view alongside the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 14 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 30W wireless fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. And it also includes a large VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.78 by 75.44 by 8.59mm and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the Redmi K60 Pro smartphone. The Redmi K60 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 31st in black, white and mint green color options along with the special champion edition as well. So what do you guys think of this Redmi K60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.